Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the software engineering internship opportunity by IBM. So IBM is announcing its internship opportunity in India, and you can see here that it is a internship opportunity. So it is for bachelor students who are pursuing bachelor degree. Okay, and these are some roles and responsibilities which are written over here. So if you are a bachelor student searching for a software development internship, so this is for you. If you talk about the required skills and technical expertise, so you should be good in software programming languages such like C, C++, Java, Python, React, etc. You should have good knowledge of operating system concepts and data structures and algorithms. This should be known. Here they are also asking some cloud computing technologies. You should know about that, some good communication skills, and other that you should be a bachelor degree in computer science, engineering, or other relevant field. So if you are a bachelor or master's student in a computer science domain, you have these skills, then you can surely apply for this internship by IBM. I will share the link to this internship in the description box. You can just check out this, and for similar more updates, job updates, you can just subscribe to my channel, and you can just join our Telegram group. You can follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you.